top of the morning, USA. We have some grimy. All nuclear reactors are melting down. Do not try to run 90% of. The world will become not able to reproduce life. Spend as much time as possible with your loved ones. Tell your children in a calm manner what is happening and try to keep them calm. If you believe in any religion, pray to your God for mercy in your next life, and you should ask for forgiveness. If there is anything that you find enjoyable, please go to it. You should make peace with yourself before your soul goes into the next life. It is recommended that you don't do any crimes such as stealing, murder, and rape. Everyone will die in a respectable manner. If you're caught doing any of these crimes, you'll be shot down and murdered. Thank you for watching the Reckless News for all the years, but all good things has come to an end. Thank you, and good night.